Hello students, good evening to all. So we already know that your today's homework is take your worksheet 20 news in the time of social media. Okay. So question number 1, read the blog post and answer the following questions in your notebook. Okay. So in this unit we read only a blog post. Yeah, it was right. So that blog post is about pros and cons of mobile phones. Okay, what are the technologies in the mobile phones? So read the A question, read along with me. Which word from the blog post means not true, false, information, fight? Not true, that means the correct answer is what? Nice, the correct answer is false. Okay, take your pencil, do neatly. Okay, write neatly. And B question, take your ELGA note and write the answers correctly. Okay, using your pen. What do you understand by fake news? What do you understand by fake news? So anybody here, what does mean by fake news? Very good. Fake news means false or unreal news. Yeah, it was right. It is spread to give false information to people. This is called a fake news. So you have to write it in your ELGA note. So then the C question, write 2 ways in which you can spot fake news. Look at the infographic on SR24. Take your SR24 and look at the infographics and answer the questions. Okay, students? You have to write only 2 ways. Okay? And D question, how can fake news cause harm? How can fake news cause harm? So what is the answer of this question? Nice. If people start taking actions based on fake news, it can cause a lot of harm. Yeah, it was right. Okay. So now answer the E question. Write the pros and cons of a technological innovation. So what does mean by pros? Pros is nothing but it is advantage, and cons is nothing but it is a disadvantage. So you have to write the advantages and disadvantages of a technological innovation. Okay. So use the information from the blog post. You maybe refer your SR22 and SR24. Okay. And next F question. Do you agree with the opinions in the blog post on SR22, blog post on SR24, and draw a Venn diagram to show that is similar and different between the 2 blog posts. Okay. So do you agree? What is your opinions about the blog post on SR22 and SR24? Take your SR22, open your SR24. So you have to compare and contrast. Okay. So what does mean by the word compare? Nice. Compare means it is a similar. Contrast means it is a different. So you have to compare and contrast the 2 SR and write your opinions. Okay. Your opinion you have to write it. So then G question, how do you think social media can affect our lives? Give reason for your answer. This is a very important question. Yeah, it was right. எப்படிலாம் social media நம்மளோட life affect பண்ணுது அப்படின்னு write பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? So and H question, what would you do differently? What would you doing differently after reading the blog post on SR22 and SR24? Give reason for your answer. Okay, students? So this is your homework today. Write neatly, write clearly, write the correct answer. So thank you. Bye-bye. Happy learning.